my name is Lexi and I'm super excited to begin our first ever tutorial for your DIY maker kits. Today we are going to be making your custom name canvases and painting them. So I'm super excited to get started. Before we get things started, I just want to remind everyone that we are using paint, so what you're wearing does matter. Make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't mind if you get dirty, or if you have a painting shirt, go ahead and go throw that on right now. Another thing we need to do is make sure our sleeves are rolled up to our elbows, and I'm going to throw on an apron. So now that I've got my apron on and we're all in our paint clothes and all ready to get painting, we're gonna go ahead and grab our bags. So everyone should have a white bag just like this one with their name on the front right about here. And inside the bag, you will find your canvas. Here's my canvas. And then next thing you will find in your bag are 4 paint colors. We have yellow, blue, and red, which are your primary colors, and then also white. And we will get to talking about how to mix these to make other special colors in a bit. Next up, you have your sponge brush, which we will be using to paint the canvases with, and some other goodies you can find inside. Okay, so I'm getting all ready. I have my canvas set out, I've got my brush set up, and I have poured my cups of paint onto a plate so I can mix them together. Just a reminder that your canvases do come ready to paint, so nothing needs to be done before we go ahead and start painting them. Throughout our painting process today, don't forget that we're going to need to be washing our brush, so make sure you grab a cup of water so that we can wash our brush, and you just stick your brush down in there, work it around a little bit, and then once it comes out, go ahead and give it a little squeeze, get some water off of it, and then you can dry it on a piece of paper towel so it's ready to use again. Before we begin painting our canvases, I just want to show a few different colors that we can make out of our primary colors and white. So to begin, we're going to mix some blue and some red. So how you do that is take a little bit of blue, make a new pile, then take a little bit of red and mix it in with that blue. And blue and red makes purple. So whatever color of purple you would like, you can mix it in there and keep mixing it until you get the color you desire. And if you would like to add a little bit of white to that, you can too, to lighten it up a little bit. So there's our purple. Next color we will be making is orange. So to make orange, since my red and my yellow are already so close together, we're just going to go ahead and start mixing the two of them together. And we start to get an orange in there. Don't forget to wash your brush between each mixing of colors. Don't forget to dry off your brush after you've washed it. Our next color we'll be mixing up is green. So to make green, we'll be taking some yellow and some blue and mixing it together. I'm going to do that right in the center. And there's our green. And just keep mixing until you get the color you want. Our last color we're going to go over is going to be pink. And to make pink, we're going to mix our red and our white. So I'm going to bring the red over to the white in this area. And there we go, we're starting to get some pink. So don't forget that there is going to be a piece of paper in the bag that will have all the different directions on how to mix your colors. After you've got some colors mixed up and you are ready to paint your canvas, go ahead and get your canvas ready and make sure your paintbrush is clean and dry. Okay, so we're ready to start painting. I am going to start my painting with some blue. So just take it and don't forget to wipe off your brush. And then go ahead and just start painting over your name. One chunk. And here I want a little bit of a lighter blue, so I'm going to mix some white and blue together. And keep painting. Okay, here now I'm ready to switch colors, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my brush. The next color that we're going to be using is orange, so I'm going to go right back to my spot where I was mixing that red and yellow, get a little bit more, mix it up. Go ahead and start painting. I'm going to do some stripes over here of different colors. Remember that we want to make sure that there's no puddles in our paint, so smoothing it out is a really good idea. There we go. I'm ready to switch colors again, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my brush real quick. Let's see, get some more stripes in here. Once you make sure that you have covered your entire name area, you can feel free to leave some of the spaces at the bottom and the top plain if you'd like to, but just make sure that your entire name part is covered with paint. And you can see, like I did, after I covered the entire thing, I decided to add some little circles on top of it and just be creative. You can go with stripes or polka dots or anything that you enjoy. If you'd like to, don't forget, you can always paint the sides of it. Next step is to sit and let it dry. Once your painting is all completely dry, no shiny spots left, you can go ahead and start peeling your letters. So to peel your letters, you just really gotta carefully get under there, just like you're peeling off a sticker, and slowly pull it up. Just like that. Our next step, and it is an optional step, but I am going to do it anyways. Our next step is to bedazzle, and I have chosen to use these rhinestones to bedazzle my painting. So, to bedazzle, you start by picking the color that you'd like, and they're all sticky on the back, so you peel it off just like a sticker. There we go. And go ahead and just place it down anywhere. Just like that. Don't forget that this is your project, so feel free to add anything as you feel and really make it your own. Here is my final project. Don't forget to take a picture with your project. And if your parents are okay with them posting the photo of you, be sure to upload it to our Facebook page. Thank you all for joining me today in making our super fun name canvases. Thank you again for supporting small local businesses in the St. John's area, and I hope you all had a ton of fun making these canvases, and I look forward to seeing you on more tutorials and videos of new and upcoming crafts. Bye!